Top 11 Kitchen Remodeling Ideas that will refresh your kitchen look. Best kitchen design ideas to inspire you. Don't go anywhere, just keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button to help spread the video more widely, and subscribe us if you haven't already. Most of us spend a lot of time in our kitchens, whether we want or not. When you are buying or selling a home, the kitchen design and features is one of the most important factors to consider. If you want to update your kitchen on a budget, there are a lot of easy options, DIY jobs included, that will make a big impact. In this video, here are the best simple ways to tackle your kitchen remodel without breaking the bank. Changing the look without spending a dime. Start with decluttering. Actually, I spent most of this year reorganizing my house, and it was a lot of work. But decluttering your countertops and open shelving will instantly refresh the look of your kitchen without costing a dime. Also, you can get dividers or organizers for your drawers and cabinets to make the best use of the space available. I recommend playing around with your layout as well. Of course, you can't move your dishwasher or fridge easily, but maybe your movable island can change locations. Perhaps you want to splurge on a statement pendant lighting. Exercise your green thumb. I love the greenery inside the house. If you have access to fresh flowers from your garden, or if you have nice artificial plants elsewhere in the house, bring them into the kitchen and display them on your kitchen island or your open shelves. This is a really easy way. Stylize your shelves. Use your existing, open shelves, or glass cabinet doors, to add some rustic, or country chic decor. Display your colorful bowls, and glassware, or add some greenery. If you have eye-catching small appliances, or serving dishes, take them out. They will make for a stunning decorative piece for the kitchen. Install open shelving. Open shelving, or floating shelves, are a great way to display those gorgeous dishes you have collected over the years. It will also force you to get rid of clutter. I like displaying nice bottles of oil and dressings. Create a coffee bar. I love coffee bars at home. I've even seen some builders add tiny coffee bars outside the bedroom as well. A coffee bar is a good use of a small, awkward nook in your kitchen. And it looks inviting as well. You don't need a ton of square footage for this. Update your backsplash. Updating your kitchen backsplash is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to give a new look to your old kitchen. It is also the first area that should get your attention when renovating your kitchen, because No renovation is complete without a new backsplash, and it is the most used, abused area of the kitchen. From spilled food to hot oil splashes, the backsplash takes it all and complains a little. When updating your kitchen backsplash, consider whether you want to incorporate new changes to the material or redo the existing design. If you are short on time and money, consider a simple coat of paint. This way, you can incorporate a variety of styles, depending on your existing material, or simply add a shade. If you are artistically inclined, use a stencil to create a design in a secondary accent color. Different kitchen backsplash ideas might be enough if you can't afford a complete renovation. Add a new light fixture. There are some great bargains for task lighting available online. Don't be afraid to get a bold, statement lighting fixture and make it the focal point of your kitchen. Try to find one that matches the existing hardware on your kitchen cabinets. It can make a huge difference in a kitchen. Look for deals online or in big box stores. Pick a piece of artwork. Add a splash of whimsy with a fun piece of art. Not a lot of people consider getting artwork for the kitchen, but I think it's a great idea. You can even find some great vintage pieces to bring some charm into your kitchen. This is an easy way to update a kitchen wall. Add an herb wall. Indoor herb gardens are awesome. Not only are they useful, but they look pretty as well. You can create your own herb wall fairly easily. Or you can hang the planters on your wall to free up counter space, or display them on your floating shelves. Update your window treatments. I love window coverings that allow maximum sunlight to come into your rooms. Nothing beats natural light, so pick some window treatments that will allow the sun to shine through. Paint the walls. Painting your kitchen walls will not just refresh the look of the room, but can also make the kitchen feel bigger. You will want to fill any nail holes or other wear and tear first. Cover your floor with a drop cloth and make sure you have the right tools. Semi-gloss paints are good for rooms that get a lot of moisture, like your kitchen and bathrooms. Dear viewer, thank you very much for watching the video until these seconds. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us if you haven't already, so that you receive new and distinctive videos.